Hey everyone, welcome to Smarty Plan Shop's YouTube channel. I'm Bea again here to show you another one of my digital planner creations. So I'm going to open Goodnotes, and this is the one that I want to show you today. It's called the Pastel Rainbow Planner, and it's for 2021, vertical. And well, as usual, it has many clickable things. So for example, if I click on 2021, it's going to take me to the yearly page. So the yearly page, it's pretty straightforward. You have every month here with the dates and everything, and you can click on any of the weeks and it's going to take you to that corresponding week. So now let me go back to the yearly page, clicking on the 2021 of any page. That's how you get back to this page. So if I swipe to the next one, here I have a yearly plan where I can put birthdays or any important dates that you might want to highlight. And then if I swipe again, here I have a quarterly plan. So you can plan quarterly more like in detail. And here you have quarter one, you can click on 2, 3, and 4, go back to 1, etc. And you can also swipe the pages and they're right next to each other. I can keep swiping, of course. Let me go back to the yearly page and the home page. So if I click on any of these tabs, they're going to take me to the monthly page. Pretty straightforward page too. You have the month and then a to-do list, some blank space in case you want to add anything of your own. And then clicking on any of the weeks for any month, I can go to the weekly page, of course. So click on week 1 and this is what the week looks like. Here you can go to any of the weeks of the month. So I can click on week 4 and it's going to take me to that week, go back to week 2, etc., etc. This is the weekly page. You have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the days of the week with a little water tracker for every day. And then you have a habits tracker for that week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 habits that you can track. And then there's also the sleep tracker for the week. So these are the days of the week again. Okay, so then here you have the meal plan for the week as well. And then the finances, so your revenues and your expenses. So that's the weekly page. And the last thing I have to show about this planner, I can go back to the yearly page. Let me go back to the home page. So every page has this icon right here. I can click on it. So let me show you. It has that icon everywhere. So I can click on that icon and it's going to take me to the notes pages. You have the blank page. I can click here and it's going to take me to the lined page. Click here and it's going to take you to the grid. And finally, the dot grid. So you can duplicate any of these pages just so you can fill up your notebook with your notes if you need to. And otherwise, yeah, it's a dated planner with clickable links everywhere. It's weekly, not daily. And it also, of course, has the monthly pages plus the quarterly and yearly plan. I hope you guys enjoyed it and find it useful. There's going to be more planners coming up. Like today, I'm going to be making the videos too. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content. And give me any feedback. I always enjoy hearing from you and hearing what you think. And happy holidays, guys.